XCN price prediction. Let's start the video by seeing what the fixed price range will tell us, and just comment down below, do you think this is bullish or bearish? Let's just take a look. So first of all, this is the value area high, this is the area low. We've dumped below it, and we have more sellers than buyers. 198 versus 181 mil, 248 versus 205 mil. So we're primarily bearish. So the question is, what is the area that I will be interested in buying it? Where will I have some limit orders? And it's actually this area right here. So basically, this video is not financial advice, but what I'm thinking about doing is actually starting to add into my position at 811, basically the accumulation area right here. And another confirmation that I might want to see is VWAP on VOOX on Heikin Nash on the daily chart, just curving up, which right now it's curving down. Money flow is curving down, so I do believe we'll have another leg down for XCN. If you want to learn more about my strategy, I'll have links in the description.